Corporal? Are you Corporal on the page? Yes, okay. You're okay with us moving forward? All right, Miss, I thought we were gonna be able to resolve this, Miss Whitney. We may have to have some talks for a moment. So what I'm going to do is ask that you go back to that room, and we're gonna have the attorney stay out for a moment. So can you go back in, Miss, Whitney, can you go back to the breakout room I just took you out from? Breakout room number 7, please?
So do I click join breakout room?
Yes, please.
7. Yep.
Yeah.
All right. Got it.
Sorry. It's okay. Okay, so corporate agent actually came into the courtroom, attorney wrote, she is not comfortable with dismissing this matter. And so, she recalls how the client acted that day, and so it's a state case, so I'll try and reach out to the state attorney, and we can talk about some type of offer we can give on it, or else it's gonna have to go to trial, okay?
Okay, so is this a state ticket?
It is a state ticket, so let me see if I can try and find it. Okay, give me.
Had a history of crack cocaine use. So based on
Your Honor, if the officer is not here and Carolyn Wright, we have 6 minutes until 10 o'clock to dismiss.
We don't need that, you don't need for everything else.
Are we? We can do it over? 36th District Court, State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating, no sleeping, no talking, no gum chewing, no drinking, no laying down or lounging, no driving or riding in a vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you are addressed by the courthouse staff. Also, keep your devices on a level surface so that you may be seen on screen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Sign back on there. It's right. It's right. I'm gonna disconnect her and hopefully she signs back on because she realizes she's disconnected. And maybe she can connect back better with audio.
She just said she was having internet problems, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm loving your poinsettia on your on the stand, Judge.
Thank you so much, I appreciate it. It's a trial of today. I have the officer, she's in court. I want y'all to be able to talk about this matter, so that you can see what can be worked out. In this, particular case.
Of course.
It does have- Did you, officer, did you want to step in the hallway and go on Zoom and I'll put you in a breakout room? Where you can come and talk to me here. We're on YouTube, so you should probably go to the breakout room. Yeah, okay. Thank you. That you Miss Wright?
Yes, this Miss Wright.
Okay, hold tight, okay? Just give me 1 second. I gotta put some people in the breakout room and I'm gonna call your matter, okay?
Okay.
Yes. You're gonna go to room number 1, okay?
Okay.
I'll let you talk first. Mrs. Soroki, I'm gonna call the right matter, okay?
That's good.
All right. This is the matter of people versus Carolyn Wright. 1 count of possession of drugs. Appearances for the record, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, ma'am?
Carolyn Wright.
Your Honor, at this time, my defense moves to dismiss this matter.
Pardon me?
Defense moves to dismiss. The police officer has not appeared for trial.
Okay.
It is 10:02 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 9 a.m. No officer has appeared on this matter, so the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you. You're all set,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
What that means is as of today, I'm dismissing it. But
Thank
if, no problem, Ms. Wright. They have the right to refile it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mrs. Soroki, I have to call a matter from yesterday.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay. Person never shut. Ready? These matters were from yesterday's docket. They are on the docket for today, however. The people of the state of Michigan versus Danielle Young. This is ticket number Z808183, 1 count of operating high BAC. Also calling ticket number Z808349, operating while visibly impaired. I may have got that backwards. I did. This one, 808349 is operating high BAC, and ticket number Z808183 is operating while visibly impaired. This is a ticket that is currently in awaiting sentencing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
Mrs. Soroki, whatever you're doing, you're getting out of the way of the
I'm
microphone.
sorry.
There we go. You gotta stay head on, okay?
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
All right. This matter was scheduled yesterday for an in-person hearing. I gave Ms. Young the entire day to avail herself. It was scheduled for 9 a.m. in the morning. She was to come in. Both of these matters are alcohol-related matters, dealing with operating while intoxicated. and she picked up this second case while she was awaiting the sentencing of her first case. So at this time, the court is going to issue cash bonds on both of these matters, $500 on both matters, cash. And she is to be, gets remanded to the Wayne County Jail upon her cash. So I just want to place that on the record, $500 cash bond on both matters. Thank you. Let's conclude this hearing.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Soroka. Did you get some offers, Mrs. Soroka? You can go talk.
Yes,
to
I
them.
got in a couple offers. I'm ready. I can go talk to Kelvin Wilson, and also we don't have and I can talk, oh, Carolyn Wright's already dismissed. Look, I'll go speak to, I have two offers here. I can speak to the defendants on Kelvin Wilson, and I also have the offer on Valerie Williams.
Okay.
Okay. I'll go to the breakout room and speak to each one of them.
Judge, do I have the defense attorney on this matter here?
You do. It's Mr. Soroki. He's actually going into a room to talk to somebody. When he comes
Okay.
back out, I can let him know that you want to talk to him about this.
Awesome. Thank you, Judge.
No problem. Hold tight. Sir, you
Hello.
are using an iPhone. What's your name?
My name is Quentin Wise.
Yes, Miss. Well, you were here a few weeks ago for court, weren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened?
I got court today. I'm trying to figure out which courtroom, ma'am.
Can you call? I'm gonna give you a number, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
313
Uh, 313
965
965
2293.
2293. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. That's it. Oh, that's who I was talking to. He was here a couple of weeks ago. I didn't- Mr. Wilson, did Mr. Soroki tell you to come out?
Yes.
Okay, just hold tight. Put yourself on mute, please, okay?
Ready, Your Honor.
Okay, before you do that, I need you to go into a breakout room with Mr. Kerr and talk to him about that trial. For today. He has something to talk to you about.
With whom?
The APA from the state prosecutor's
Okay,
office.
how you doing? Very good. Okay, which breakout room?
Do you want to be back in there with the officer or you want a separate one?
I'm
APA.
fine.
Well, it could just be us.
Just you two?
Yep.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna put y'all to breakout room number 9. Ms. Williams, place yourself on mute for me, please.
Okay.
All right, let's see here. Catrice Whitney, or no, not join a breakout room.
Season 7.
Okay, ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Are we ready on the trial for today too?
Yeah, that's gonna be a plea.
This is the matter of the people versus Patrice Whitney. This is ticket number SP 11932232, count one, alcohol related violations. Appearances for the record, starting with the APA, please.
APA Alex Curry on behalf of the people, Your Honor, P84950.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
And Ms. Whitney, can you state your name for the record, please?
Patrice Whitney.
Yes. Your Honor, defendant wishes to accept the offer of prosecution in this matter. She'll be pleading to a reduced charge of, yes,
All right, so you're gonna have to, so when you turn to the side, it sounds very muffled. And I know your paper
sorry.
is over there reading off, but you're gonna have to move it to right in front of the computer, because that's the only time we get a real clear sound.
Thank you. Ms. Whitney wishes to accept the offer of prosecution. It's a 3-month delayed sentence to disorderly conduct.
Is that right, Ms. Whitney?
Yes.
Okay, if so, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of April the 27th of 2021. Were you in the area of East 7 Mile and Conant Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And in that area, did you act in a disorderly manner at that location?
Yes.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroka?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of disorderly conduct. Ms. Whitney, it's gonna be a 3-month delayed sentence. What that means is that as long as you pick up no new serious conduct, have no new violations, this matter will be dismissed after 3 months. I am going to issue community service in lieu of costs and fees today for this disorderly conduct. I'm gonna issue 20, I know, I'm gonna issue 25 hours that need to be completed in 3 months. Can you take down a phone number for me?
Okay.
All right, 313-965-8130. This is Miss Green, and she's gonna make sure that your community service that you choose is appropriate and that can be counted. And I'm gonna have you come back in 3 months, so that's gonna be on March the 14th, 2022, and that's gonna be at 8:30 a.m. If you have completed these 25 hours of community service, no new contacts, I'll dismiss this case, okay?
All right.
There's nothing else that concludes this hearing, okay?
All right.
Thank you, Ms. Whitney. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
It's good to see you, Judge Taylor. Thank you.
Same here. I'll let that, I thought that was you. Have a good day. You're all set, Ms. Whitney.
All right. Thanks.
Kevin Wilson,
Yes.
Yes.
these are the matters of the people versus Calvin Wilson. This is ticket number 423552. One count open intoxicant driver, one count unregistered motor vehicle. Also calling ticket number P113385, count 1, drove while license suspended, count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling case number SP 11239521, one count drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Calvin LeQuint Wilson.
Your Honor, Mr. Wilson wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution. However, I noticed that ticket number SP 5482831 is on the docket sheet for today, but is not in the offer. And then there was another ticket number that was to be dismissed, but it was not on the docket sheet today. So basically what this offer was is dismissing all charges except for the open alcohol driver, which is being reduced to open alcohol passenger. So if we can have this other ticket I just mentioned dismissed along with the other tickets, Mr. Wilson will accept the offer.
Let me see if I have that ticket. Drove while license suspended.
Yes, Your Honor, it says no op on the docket sheet.
So it's ticket number P548283, count 1. Drove while license suspended. I'm pretty sure. The other two on it. Okay. So why is it on the docket? He pled guilty to that count already, that's on the docket, so I don't know why it's on the docket, he already pled guilty to it.
Okay, thank you.
You wanna accept that offer today, Mr. Wilson?
Yes, Your Honor.
So can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Please put your hand down. Mr. Wilson, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, do you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of September the 9th of 2020. Were you at that time driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Trumbull and Butternut in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you stopped by Detroit police officer, or stopped by a police officer on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was there open alcohol on the passenger side of the vehicle?
Yes, there was, Your Honor.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroka?
Satisfied.
There's stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of opening intoxicated passenger and going to dismiss the remaining counts on this record today. Mr. Wilson, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Probably 30 days, Your Honor.
I'm having due no later than January 14th of 2022, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further. That does conclude the hearing. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Valerie Williams.
Yes.
Corporal Akins. Okay, we're gonna do your matter. Corporal Akins, we did your matter. I was trying to get you out the breakout room. You didn't come.
Oh,
You're all set.
Uh-oh.
Okay. She took the-
okay.
All right, thank you.
What this one? No.
Trying to get you up the breakout.
Oh,
No, you're good. This is the matter of the people versus Valerie Williams. This is ticket number P11055532. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Also calling ticket number P11055531. One count accident drive failed to use due care and caution. One count no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant.
And your name for the record, please, ma'am.
Valerie Williams.
Yes, Your Honor, defendant wishes to plead not guilty in this matter and proceed to trial.
All right. This time the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ms. Williams, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And he's informing me that you want to have a trial of this matter. Is that going to be a bench trial? That's heard before myself as the trier and finder of the fact, or is this going to be a jury trial? That's going to be before 6 people, members of the Detroit community, who are going to decide based on the information that they are provided with in the law. How do you want to proceed?
Not guilty. Because I was not driving on I-96.
Ma'am, you can't.
Oh,
Ma'am,
I'm sorry.
all I asked you was if you want to have a bench or a jury trial. Now, I already know you plead not guilty. I asked you, are you listening?
Yes,
Can you hear me okay?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna repeat again what I just said, okay? I need you to listen real carefully for me, okay? You have the option to have a bench or a jury trial. A bench trial is when me as the judge, I sit and hear the facts of the case and use the law and apply it. The jury trial is when 6 people of the community of Detroit hear that same information, apply the law, and they make the decision. Which one would you like to have?
bench trial.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna set this matter for a bench trial on the date of March the 12th of 2022. It's gonna be at 9 a.m. It is gonna be via Zoom, so you're gonna have to Zoom back in that same day. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal in this particular matter, okay?
Okay, you said March, give me a pen right quick.
March.
Hold on,
the
man, I
12th.
got to write it down.
I mean, April the 12th, I apologize, April the 12th, April the 12th. April
Okay.
the 12th,
April the 12th.
yep, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Oh, God. Yeah, I ain't got no ink. Can you hold on for 1 sec? Oh, I got it. So, okay, April the 22nd. I mean,
April the 12th, April 1-2
April 12th at 9 o'clock.
at 9 a.m. via Zoom,
Okay,
okay?
all right.
All right. There's nothing further that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Do I close it out?
Yeah, you can log off. I'll go ahead and remove you, okay?
Okay.
Ms. Dozer?
Yeah, that's right. Rochella Wright.
What's your name?
Rochella Wright.
Shallow right. The last name on the first page.
Did you accidentally get knocked out the room?
Yeah, put me in the one room, and I've been sitting there waiting and waiting. He came back. He asked me, was I Carla Wright? I told him no, and I ain't seen him since.
Your Honor, on her ticket, I believe we have an offer for a dismissal.
That sounds good.
No, that's not correct.
Is that correct?
Oh, no.
I will put, Ms. Wright, I'm gonna put you back into the room. You have to be patient. We have a lot of people.
I'm
So,
here.
I know, so I'm gonna put you into room number 5, okay? It's gonna ask you to join room number 5. Mrs. Soroki, her offer is, 'cause she had 4 tickets and warrant status, so I'm pulling those out of warrant status. But her offer is to plead to 2 counts of improper plates. One of the counts is on the ticket for the docket today. And that's gonna be count number one that we're asking her to plead the improper plates on. The other one is a ticket that's in warrant status from 2014. It's a no insurance that they're asking her to plead to improper plates. The remaining of the tickets, 1, 2, 3, and that remaining count. So 4 tickets in total will be dismissed.
Your Honor, usually tickets that are beyond 6 years old are dismissed for age, but that's up to the court. But I just see 1 ticket on the docket, and it's
It's on
for,
the next page too. So she has the 2 tickets on the docket are the ticket 1149899. Those 2 tickets are both on the docket for today, and then the rest of them are all in warrant status. I can have a plea to a more recent one. She has quite a few of them. Let me see.
yeah, I'm sorry, I do see 2 tickets for her. There's 1 on each page.
Uh, Failed to display from 2018, failed to display a valid operator's license She can do that as improper plates instead, and I'll dismiss the other one. She got to plead two though.
Okay, all right, I will go discuss her tickets with her.
I have some other ones too. I'm gonna give you the rest of them, please, while you're on. Okay. Miss LaWanda Williamson, she has a whole bunch of tickets. Oh,
Yeah, she has a lot of tickets that aren't on the docket either, Your Honor.
yeah. So she just has the one, the disorderly conduct that's on the docket for today. She has a whole bunch of driving. Yeah. She's already, oh, this is like disorderly conduct. So she's on probation for the disorderly conduct, so I wonder why she's here today for that. But she's already on probation for the ticket that's on the docket for today.
Says show cause, Your Honor.
Supposed to get delayed sentence. She was 20 hours of community service. And they were dismissed it upon completion. Then she failed to appear. And when she came back, it says she completed 14 hours of community service and must pay a fine. I don't know. And oh Lord. No, fine. She was supposed to complete a program, marijuana insight program, it looks like. So she's on probation and she failed to complete her probation the way she was supposed to. So she does have some tickets. I don't know if she wants to handle those today. You might want to ask her, did she complete her probation? Her terms and conditions of probation. Now we can handle that on another day. And Nisha Williams. He has quite a few tickets too. It's they're not even coming anymore. I don't see him. Oh, yes, he is. So he's gonna plead to 3 tickets as improper plates. I don't know if all his tickets made it to the document. All his tickets did not make it to the document. But he's paid so much money on tickets and stuff like that. That he can plead to 3 counts of improper plates. On ticket ended in 562. Which happened in 2019, no insurance. Ticket ending in 561, which is drove while license suspended. And ticket ending in 7431, which is drove while not valid or improper license. So we plead to those 3. The remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 tickets will be dismissed. Please
So if
agree.
I'm sorry, which ones would he be required to plead to? Improper plate and what else?
It's gonna be 3 counts of improper place that we're gonna amend it to, but it's gonna be a no insurance misdemeanor, a drove while license suspended, and a drove while license not valid or improper license.
Okay, I understand.
All right, and then there's one more person, I don't have the file for them, so I'll get that, go start talking to those 3 folks, so we'll try and figure out. the rest of this.
And Miranda Williamson. So basically the offer, her offer, I have it in writing, so I'll go over that with her.
You
So,
can, I was gonna say, go over the current offer, but let her know too, she's here for this open disorderly conduct case is still open, that she can fly with any of those terms.
right. Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Okay.
Just put yourself on mute, okay?
Okay.
Just put yourself on mute, okay?
Okay.
here.
Ms. Williamson, just hold tight in the courtroom, okay?
Okay.
You can hold tight in the courtroom.
I'm ready, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Meshack Williams, you can unmute yourself. These are the matters of people versus Meshack Williams. This is on the docket for today. I know there are only 3 matters, but I'm going to call all the cases. On the docket are SP 1034256, count 1, driver's license, driving while license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Also on the docket is case number SP 8639101, 1 count of license improper license. Also calling from this docket, also calling not on the docket, but case number SX 3467638, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SX 36244219291, 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 1 SP 103. Strike that one. Ticket number SP 938743, count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 8639102, 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 9797581, 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 989432, count 1, drove while license suspended. U ticket 4734418, 1 count narcotic and drug related violation. Ticket number and warrant status 183309811, 1 count no operator's license on person. Ticket number 183309812, 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 184132777, count 1, drove while license suspended. And ticket number 184132772, 1 count no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Meshack Williams.
Yes. Your Honor, the defendant wishing to accept the offer of prosecution, he'll be pleading to 3 reduced charges of improper plates, and the other 11 tickets will be dismissed.
Is that how you want to proceed today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking a guilty today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, you still want to move forward with this plea today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I want to take your attention back to the date first of October the 22nd of 2019. Were you at that time driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Gratiot Avenue and Sylvester Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Your Honor.
And while you were driving, did you not have any license at the time? Was your license suspended at the time?
No, I didn't, Your Honor.
And then, did you have any car insurance on the vehicle at the time?
No, Your Honor.
And then I want to take your attention to the date of October the 9th, 2018. Were you driving at that time, Nissan vehicle in the area of West Magnetic and Hubble Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Why you were driving that vehicle? Was your license not valid or improper at the time?
No, Your Honor, they wasn't valid.
Okay, satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea, amended plea to improper plates on ticket SP 9387431, ticket number SP 1034256 count 1, and SP 1034256 count 2, all to amend to improper plate. The remaining tickets on the record today will be dismissed. Mr. Williams, you came and made some recent payments, correct, to the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you remember how much you paid to the court?
It was 4,200 and some change.
That's what I thought. The court is going to waive all the costs and fines on these remaining tickets. This should be all of your tickets for Wayne County at 54 for 36 District Court. You may, did he pay reinstatement fees? Okay, so I believe you paid your reinstatement fees too. Give us a couple of days to process this and then check back online and make sure you don't owe any more fees. I'm not doing any additional fees, but some of the Secretary of State office fees that are automatically put in the system, I can't waive. So those
Okay.
may, but I'm not gonna give you any new fees to pay, okay, Mr. Williams? I know you tried to clean up, you made substantial payments the other day. So, okay, this should take care of all of your tickets, though. I don't believe you have any other tickets at 36 District Court, okay?
All right, so the payments I paid, that go towards the 3 tickets today?
No, I didn't charge you any extra for the
Oh.
tickets today.
Oh, okay, okay.
Fine, those are $0, okay?
Okay. Appreciate you so much, Your Honor.
No problem. I'm trying to figure out if we can get the rest of it. You were paying like some back payments on some other tickets, and I know that you've been trying and you made good payments for those. The only thing that may be open are Secretary of State reinstatement fees. I can't waive those. Check and see if you have any of those. Otherwise, I'm not charging anything new.
I appreciate you so much.
Okay, Mr. Williams, thank you for your patience today too. Okay, I know you were trying to take care of this, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day, Mr. Williams.
All right, you too. You guys have a blessed one.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ms. Williamson, you can unmute yourself.
How you doing?
Good, thank you. On the docket for today is a show cause from a violation of, or a show cause from a probation, ticket number P 9322199, one count of disorderly conduct. Not on the docket today, but being heard are tickets number SP 1225791, one count drove to private property or alley. Ticket number SP 1216481, expired plates. Ticket number SP 1225801, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 122578982, one count expired plate. Ticket number SP 1216491, drove while license suspended. Ticket number 1094236, one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P 1112354, one count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number SP 1225800, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1216487, count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, please?
Lawanda Williamson.
Yes. Does the court wish to address the show cause first or the, thank you.
Yes, Attorney Soroki, can we address the show cause first?
Yes.
Ms. Williamson, I see what your original plea was, back in December the 6th of 2018. It was a delayed sentence, so it should have been dismissed. If you would have completed 20 hours of community service. That didn't happen. You failed
Yeah,
to
I was
appear.
missing 3 hours. I mean, I was missing 2 hours. I'm sorry.
Then you failed to appear for your next court date. Then it looks like you came back and you completed most of your hours. Then you were supposed to make some payments. I think my clerk told me you did make some payments.
I paid off all my tickets until I got a ticket last year. And I did do community service and I did time served for the rest of the community service that I needed.
So you didn't complete any of the programs, they just locked you up?
They locked me up. I completed hours. They locked me up once I called the police for protection and I found out that I had a warrant out for my arrest then and they locked me up then.
How many days did you do?
I spent, what was that, 5? No, she asked me how many days I spent in jail. I spent 5 days in jail and then I spent $1,100 on my tickets.
Well, I'm gonna close out that probation then, with the serving of the 5 days in jail that you did for the disorderly conduct ticket, okay?
Thank you so much. Yes. Oh, I needed that.
Okay. Now, how are we addressing the rest of the tickets today, Attorney Soroka?
Yeah, defendant wishes to accept off their prosecution should be pleading to 2 counts of improper plates and dismissing 6 charges.
Is that how you want to proceed today, ma'am?
Yes.
So can you please raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You put your hand down, ma'am. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had down the trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention, Ms. Williamson, back to the date of July 14, 2021. Were you in the area of Joy Road and Evergreen in the city of Detroit driving a Ford vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you have no car insurance on that vehicle?
No, ma'am. It ran out.
Okay, and then I want to take your attention to the date of September the 13th of 2020. Were you driving another Ford vehicle at that time in the area of Bryan and Davidson in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And in 2022, did you have, was your license not valid or was it improper when the police stopped you?
I'm sorry, you said when, ma'am?
In 2022, it would have been in September of 2022, September 13th.
Of 2022? I mean, you mean 2021?
No, 2022, was your license not valid?
No.
Okay.
No, ma'am. I'm sorry. I was
No,
just
it was
looking.
not valid?
No, ma'am. No, it's not valid.
Okay. Satisfied, Attorney Soroka?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates on ticket P111235 and ticket number SP1225800 and dismiss the remaining tickets on the record for today. Ma'am, I see that you're currently employed. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am. Part-time at Myers, overnight stocking.
Okay. All right. Five sets of fine today and the amount of $200 on one of the tickets, and I give you 60 days to pay it. Will that be enough time?
I can make something happen, Judge. I mean, Your Honor, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Okay. What do you mean you can make something happen? What's your financial situation right now?
Well, I still gotta, well, it's Christmas and me and my family came up with this thing already that everybody's gonna buy everybody gifts. And I was like already in the midst of buying gifts, but I'll make something happen. Like I said, I'll tell somebody they gotta wait till next year.
Is February enough time, or do you need until March to be able to pay that?
February is more than enough time, ma'am. I'll have it by then.
You sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I was doing it out to February. I wasn't doing it right now. I know it's the holiday season.
Yes. Thank you.
I was
And
doing it-
this is probably not none of your business, but and we just lost my great grandmother like 4 days ago to COVID, and both of my grandparents are in there right now due to COVID on oxygen tanks. So our family is just like all over the place right now.
It's crazy, Miss Williamson. I'm so sorry to hear that. Is your only employment at right now part-time at Meyer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. My staff laughs at me. They already know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna waive all your costs and fines for that, okay? Have you
Okay.
know. Sorry that you're experiencing all that right now. You okay, man? Ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Good things happen sometimes. It's okay. Okay. Rough, baby, hasn't it?
You didn't cry my lashes off.
I was gonna say you changed it up on me.
Oh Lord.
Great, okay? I understand.
Okay.
Now, Ms. Williamson, you may have some reinstatement fees. I can't waive those. Check
Okay,
back in days, but
that's
you have
fine.
plenty of time to pay those, okay? But
Okay.
we're not gonna charge you extra money, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So welcome, okay? Get off before you make me cry every day.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Miss Wright? Right. Miss Wright?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
All right, ready to call your madam.
I think my phone charged. It's receipts.
These are the matter of the people versus Michelle Wright. This is ticket number P.
Yes, ma'am.
9899. One count driver's license never required. One count no proof of insurance. These matters are not on the docket today, but are currently in warrant status. That's ticket number SP 949678. Count 1. Drove while licensed suspended repeat offender. Ticket number SP 3376752. One count no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP 33767. Count 1. No insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 824164. Count 1. Failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Yes, Alan Stroke, appearing on behalf of the defendant, P37441.
Ms. Wright, can you state your name for the record, please?
Rochelle Wright.
Your Honor, Ms. Wright wishes to accept off the prosecution's matter. However, she doesn't recall these tickets. And I was wondering if you could give her a breakdown of the dates and locations or some information to refresh her recollection.
On the ticket, for one of the tickets happened on December the 31st of 2020, ma'am.
That's it. I know where you at now. That's okay. I know where you at now. Thank you.
Okay. The other ticket was from 2018 though, and that was in the area of Trinity and Santa Clara.
Okay.
And it was
I was gonna ask about
a Pontiac 2007 vehicle. You remember that, ma'am?
that. You said 2018?
Yes.
Yes, right, yes, I remember that day. Yeah.
Okay, those are the only two tickets I'm gonna ask you about, because everything else is gonna be dismissed, okay?
Okay.
All right, raise your right hand for me, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down.
Yes.
Okay. We had a little delay, so I'll be patient. Did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, would you still want to move forward with these two pleas today?
Yes.
I want to take you back to the date of December the 31st, 2020. Were you at that time driving a 2009 Chevy vehicle in the area of Winthrop in the Ellis Streets in the city of Detroit?
I was in front of my house. Yes. Yes.
And did you never have a driver's license? Why did you
No.
not have a driver's license?
No, I didn't have a driver's license.
Also, I want to take your attention to the date of May the 8th of 2018. Were you in the area of Trinity and Santa Clara Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Pontiac vehicle?
Yeah, I was looking for my kid. I remember it like it was yesterday.
Right?
Yes.
I'm talking to you. You can't be having side conversations with folks while you're in court.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's right. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I said, did you, on the date of May the 8th, are you focusing? Can you focus? Is something distracting you? Do you need to handle something else real quick?
I'm here. I'm here.
You here?
I'm here.
Listen? Okay. All right. On May the 5th, on May the 8th of 2018, were you in the area of Trinity and Santa Clara Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Pontiac vehicle?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the police officer who stopped you?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
I said, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the police officer who stopped you?
I had an ID. I showed my ID to him.
But did you have a license to drive a vehicle at that time?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Soroki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
But this time, the court is going to enter a plea to the amended charges of improper plates on ticket SP A241641 and ticket number P11498999, count 1. Dismiss the remaining count on that ticket count 2. Ms. Wright, are you currently employed?
No, ma'am.
Are you looking for employment?
Yes, ma'am. I'm in the process of moving and adopting some kids.
Okay, so you're looking for employment right now?
Yes, ma'am.
I have this opportunity through the city of Detroit, where they will help you find employment if you want. And in lieu of participating in this program, they'll cut your costs and fees in half. Do you want to participate in that program?
Said it. I'm sorry. Can you repeat yourself? I'm sorry.
I understand it's breaking up a little bit. I can tell that you have your internet is a little weird. I can tell because it flashes up on my screen. I said I have a program through the city of Detroit where if you participate in it, they will help cut your costs in half. Did you want to participate in that program? And they'll help you find a job.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
What type of program? What type of program would you know? I mean, can you tell us something about it?
I can, Ms. Wright. The program is, if you're looking for a job, they'll help you find a job. If you need help of putting together your resume, they'll help assist you with resume. They have some in-person resume writing, online workshops that you can participate in. You can do some job training. They have some free training programs that they can put you in if you need to. They can help you get ready for a job search. They can do free workshops. They can do any of that to help you.
Okay.
Is this something you'd be interested in participating in?
Yeah, I guess I'll look into it. I can look into it.
I need a yes or a no. I can just assess you a fine.
Yes, I take it, I guess.
You don't have to, ma'am. I'm just giving you the option. I mean, if you want to continue to look for employment on your own, that's fine as well. I just have this program that I can offer you. But I want you to actually want to be a part of it. So if you don't want to be a part of it, that's fine as well.
I mean, I do, but I want to know what I'm getting myself into. I want, yeah, I'll be a part of the program. I'll take it.
Okay. I mean, it's just, they just want to help you look for a job and help you try and get hired.
Okay.
Who is in the room with you that you keep looking at?
She's gone.
We are in court, and you keep looking over there, and whoever that is, they must be very interesting. They want to help you pay your costs and fines.
I've been paying so much on these tickets and stuff. It's like,
I bet you have. But
yeah.
you're in court right now, whoever in the court, and then in the place with you right now, you keep looking over at them like they focus. You want to focus on them. We can do this another day.
It ain't so much of them. It's like I got so much going on. You hit me with the, do you want this? I'm like, hey, I don't already been looking for jobs. I'm trying to tell you, yeah, but then you keep like, hey, you don't want it. I'm like, yeah, I want it. So it's like,
okay. I just want to help you find a job because it's important to have that. So here's what I'm gonna do.
I'm usually always working. I just, I've been looking for a place because I'm in the process of trying to find a bigger place for the kids that I'm about to adopt. So it's like, I've been, trying to find a job and going to interviews. Just went to one last Friday, last Thursday, and Tuesday. So I'm on the road. I'm definitely on the road.
All right. I'm going to have you call the courtroom when you get off the phone. Can you take down the number?
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
312 965
Okay.
2293.
Can you repeat the number?
Yep, 313 965 2293.
Okay.
Okay, you call, you get started in this program, they'll help you look for employment. I'm gonna have you come back for a review on June 14th, 2022. If at that time you have employment and you're doing everything and moving forward and you participate in this program, I'm gonna waive your cost and fine.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right, so June 14th, 2022 is gonna be a review, but call the courtroom so we can get you enrolled. They're gonna help you continue your job hunt. So I know you're already job hunting, but if you participate in the program, they're gonna help you continue that job hunt, okay?
Okay, thank you.
and make sure that you have all the skills that you need so that you can provide for the house and the kids that you're trying to have, okay?
All righty, thank
All right,
you.
no problem. That concludes this hearing. Thank you. You ready on Mr. White?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, this is ticket number C11583811 count, drove while unlicensed. The people first is Robert White. Appearances for the record, start with counsel, please.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Robert White.
Your Honor, the defendant wishes to accept the offer of prosecution. They'll be dismissing one matter, and the remaining matter as he had paid off his civil infraction.
Okay, and I do have that offer at this point in time. So Mr. White, because you did pay off that civil infraction, they are going to dismiss this ticket for you today, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. That concludes
Thank
this
you.
hearing.
Thank you. Okay, we are finished for the day. Is that correct, Your Honor? Or for
That's
the morning?
correct.
Thank you.
Yep.
Have a good day, everybody.